Here today we're promoting our business, Willow Farm Machinery. Probably the business is certainly swung 70% towards grass machinery. We've got Carry, which would be our leading brand from France, the blue products. We have a range of products from Carry. They specialise in crop maintenance, both for vegetable crops and for green crops, i.e. grass. This machine, the Carry Prairie L, is a true one-pass machine with the option of reseeding. The nature of the product, because it can be so aggressive compared to our competitors with one pass, we then are a very successful overseeder because we are creating some tilt through giving us some good soil to seed contact. Therefore, cutting down on compaction and fuel use, this machine has three elements. The first element at the front is a fully reversible tine. The scallop at the bottom is the part at the heart of the machine that will remove dead grass and moss and thatch. The rear machine is a scarifying harrow, fully adjustable, which you can pivot both front and rear set of harrow depending on how aggressive you wish to be. Yeah, so we've got the Carry Pentasum tine drill. It is at the moment what we believe the only true 5-row tine stagger drill in the UK. The 5-row stagger enables us to allow trash to move from front to back of the machine because of the natural depth of it. The Duncan AS18 stems from a gravity-fed mechanical seed box for both seed and fertiliser, twin hopper. The Duncan machine has been known in the UK for probably 5 years. The third brand would be Rasen from the Czech Republic, which specialise in haymaking and grass equipment, rakes, tedders and disc mowers. The next brand would be Ino from Slovenia, which specialise in flail mowers predominantly, a huge different range of flail mowers, including fertiliser spreaders, and also they do offer a precision seed drill in their portfolio. This year we've decided to try and push the fertiliser side of the business for Ino. That machine is really aimed at the small to medium farmer that doesn't need any fancy electronics and weigh cells. There's no electronics on that machine at all. It's purely a mechanical twin disc fertiliser spreader capable of spreading up to 24 metres. So we're looking for dealers for all parts of the UK. Contact us direct, and probably the easiest place to do that is on our website. There's a lot more information on there and we can be seen at all the national shows up and down the country.